welcome back to my channel, and today I have another really super cute Valentine DIY from the Dollar Tree for you. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make the project. You're going to need a glass cylinder vase, and this one is the larger of the two that they sell. You're going to need a foam ball. This is a 6-inch. You could use smaller if you wanted. I got this one at Walmart. Okay, and then you're going to need some Dollar Tree flowers. And I have these left over. I think they're so pretty and pink. These are the really light pink ones. And then I have some of the deeper pinks. And you'll have to excuse my lighting today. We're having a lot of rain and it's extremely cloudy and I'm not getting that normal natural light that I usually get. And then I don't know how many, if any, of the red roses that I'm going to use. And then you'll need some fairy lights. And I got these, I'm reusing these from Target's Dollar Spot. And then you're just going to need some petals, little rose petals. I've had these for years, so I'm just going to reuse them, but you could use the ones that Dollar Tree sells as well. And you'll need something to cut your flowers and a glue gun maybe. And we may or may not put some of this bling wrap that I've had and I'm using and I still am not at the end of it. So what I'm going to do is cut these roses off really short. What I'm doing is making a centerpiece for my table for Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to do is cut all my flowers off and then I'll be right back. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of these petals down in here, just a few, and then we're going to put our light pack in here. And I'm putting the petals in there to hide that light pack. And then we're just going to start putting this down in here. I think it's going to be really cute. Okay, and then we're just going to put a few more petals in there. And you might just have to play with it a little bit to try to get them all, to get that light pack hidden really well. Okay, now what we're going to do is just put the ball on top and trace around where it meets the top of this because I don't want to put flowers beyond that. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just start sticking my flowers in here till I like them. And you don't have to hot glue these in at all. This is sort of like I did my fall arrangement that I made, that topiary tree. I love these really light pink ones. I wish I could have gotten more of them. But I'm going to start like that because I definitely want those like that. And I'm not going to have, I would really like to have another light pink one here. Well, I do have some right here. I could use these. This is such a simple little DIY, but it's going to give us a really nice look. Okay, and now all we're going to do is go around and just fill in with these darker pink flowers. This is going to be really cute. So I'll be back when I've got a lot more filled in. Okay, I'm this far along, and this is really a quick, but it's really cute. And I went ahead and just put 4 of the red on there, and I see now that I need to move this one around so it'll look more, need to move this one up a little bit. But I'll be back when I get it finished with the top. Okay, I've been going all the way around this. I think it is absolutely adorable. I have a few more places. I really want to bring it down more like on this side. But you could keep it, you know, shorter if you wanted. But I just want to put a few more in a couple places. But it's really easy to put it in the styrofoam ball. You just push it in and that is it. But this is so pretty. I think it would be gorgeous for a wedding. You could do so many things with it. And just keep going around with it until you're happy. But I really love this. I think it is so sweet. And you could even, these would be beautiful just hanging from something. I love them. Now, if you want this to where you know nothing is going to happen to it, then I would glue this down with some hot glue. But since I'm going to pop mine off after Valentine's Day, I'm not going to mess with doing that. But I love this. It is so festive. And I don't really think it needs any bling at all. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, I thought I would hop on here really quick and show you where I put it. I really love it on my dining room table. It looks so festive. And I like the fact that I added a little bit of that red on top to match where I've alternated the Dollar Tree placemats. So it's a really inexpensive DIY, and if you would see that out, you would pay a lot of money for it. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.